guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off by pushing back my cuticles just to make sure that when I'm laying this acrylic, it's going to be nice and not lift. So that's all I'm doing right here. It's very self-explanatory, so you can watch this. And once you push them back, they should look something like this. I went ahead and cut my nails and filed them down. And I'm just roughing up the top of my nail a little bit so the fake nails will stick. If you watch some of my nail videos, you will notice I use the same products all the time. So this is the BTS nail kit I got on Amazon. And today I'm going to be adding 2 tips because I want it to be this long length. I'm using the KDS Nail Glue. And I'm just sticking the nail. You want to make sure that you take your time with this because it's really easy for your nail to be crooked. And that happens to me way too often where I make the nail crooked. But as you can see, this is how it looks. I was cutting the nails with this scissors, but then I switched it out for my cuticle clippers. And I feel like this helped me get it more straight because it has like a straight edge. And just cut it for it to match the look you're going for. I'm going for more of a straight nail, so that's why I have it like this. And then you could just measure up your nail to make sure that it's good. And I'm going to be filing the nail with my 100 by 180 nail file. When I'm filing, I make sure to have the file upright. So you can see it's not slanted or anything because I'm going for a straight nail, so I don't want it to be too slanted. And I'm blending in my natural nail with the fake nail. Put more pressure on the fake nail because you don't want to file down your natural nail too much and then it's going to be weak. Now I'm going to do the rest of my nails and you can see the receipt for everything. This is like a nail foil type of thing. You could just search it up on Amazon. I got this way back, like years ago. And I'm using some eye glitter, this crystal clear acrylic, and the acrylic liquid from Valentino. I'm putting a light layer of that clear just so I could have something for these pieces to stick to. And you want to work really fast because this does dry down quickly. Then I just use another nail just to pour some of that glitter on there. Tap it out back into the thing. And then I'm going to seal that in with a bead of clear acrylic. This is what's going to make it be see-through and you'll be able to see the glass effect and all of that. I really don't know how to explain exactly what I'm doing. I mean, it's very self-explanatory. I'm just taking a bead, turn the brush around, get some of that water off onto the paper towel so it's not dripping everywhere, and then place it on your nail and lightly brush it and push it up against the nail just to make sure that you're carving this nail, basically. Sculpting. But you already have your base, so it's not really sculpting. It's very easy. Just take your time. You're going to get it right. I'm using this perfect nude so I can have like a natural skin-like, well, not skin, but nail-like look at my base of my nail. And just blend that together, making sure that you have some type of apex because if you don't, your nail is going to break. I'm using this soft touch and this is what's going to create the cloudy type of look because it's white. Putting some of that glitter and then you use the clear to encapsulate your work. Super easy. This is kind of like the nail I did for my birthday. If you haven't seen that video, I will put it up in the eye above on your right hand side so you can check it out whenever you're ready. It's basically the same thing. It's just different colors, different things, but it's still encapsulating. So yeah. Right here, I put some of that soft white. Then I put my perfect nude. Blend that out. I had already put clear at the tip, but you guys can see it's very repetitive. So you just do it to all your nails, and you do different styles, so be customized to you. And you guys can do this. Like, I did not come up with nail videos or like doing nails or whatever. So if you guys want to do this specific type of thing for yourself, you could go ahead and do it. I would like for you guys to tag me though, so I can see your recreations, but this is all I'm doing here. Very easy, very simple. And as you can see, the length is basically the length is just like the first nail, but I had space to file because I had that second nail, if that makes sense. So just keep going back and forth. Check out your nails on the side profile, making sure that the apex, which is like where your real nail ends, that will be the apex. So make sure that is thick enough but not too bulky, so that if you hit your nail or something, it's not going to break and crack. I did forget to put my nail primer and my dehydrator on my fingernails on the first 3 nails, so I was really mad about that. It's going to lift up soon, I already know. But make sure you do that. Don't miss that step. Right here, I'm filing under the nail just to make sure that it's not bumpy. And then I'm going in and filing this nail how I want it to look. You can see how I'm holding the file upright because I'm going for a straight nail. Using this little round bit just to clean around my cuticle area. I didn't really have too much to do because, like I told you, make sure that all the liquid is like, not all the liquid, but make sure when you dip your brush into the thing, the powder, you get some of that liquid off onto your paper towel, so it's not flooding your cuticle area, and it's going to be easy for you to file in the end. That's what I learned, because I kept doing trial and error. What am I saying? Trial and error. Hold on. Trial. I'm done. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Trial and error. So yeah, if you see my first video, you would know like this is trial and error, and I did much better this time than my first nails. I'm gonna try to pop up a picture of how my first nails look. It was very a mess. It was a mess, to be honest. So I'm just going back in and I'm fixing the nail. You know, this is your nails, so you can like customize and go back and forth, and you're not at a nail shop, so you don't have to be worried about, oh my gosh, if I go home I can't go back, they're gonna charge me No, you could just add your thing for yourself. This is the benefits of doing your nails for yourself. This set did take me about 4 hours to do, but I feel like doing nails and hair and stuff is very therapeutic for me, so the time went by so fast. And I'm just filing the nail just like I told you guys. Hold your file upright and just file it all the way around. I'm using this buffer just to smooth out the nail, so when I'm ready to paint it, it's not going to be bumpy or like it's not going to have any texture. It's just going to be a smooth surface. I'm also using my nail drill just to clean up the under part of my nail. I'm going to use this cuticle oil just to put it around my cuticles so it can get some moisture back into my fingers. Rub it in real good and then wash your hands. When you put cuticle oil, you're going to wash your hands afterwards. And then I decided to do a little design, so I'm using these nail polish, well, gel nail polish from Madame Glam. I'm just drawing a little line, and I did not have a brush that I could use. So I was like, what can I use? So I went ahead and I used this pen. I do recommend using a pen that doesn't work, because if you're using a pen that does work, it's gonna put little ink spots in your polish. By the way, one of my nails was too soft and I moved it and it broke, so I had to go back in and fix it. So you're gonna notice that my middle finger is bigger. My middle fingernail is bigger than all the other nails. But if you've seen in my intro, and you're gonna see it again in my outro, I did go back in and I filed it down a little bit more. That was a mess. I'm using the black on the other hand just to draw a simple line. And then I'm going to use my Madam Glam top coat to seal everything in. Take your time with this as well. You do not want this gel top coat to flood your cuticles as well, because then it's going to be a mess. Doing the other hand, and I also put that clear polish on the under part of my nail, and I cure in this lamp for 30 seconds. I'm polishing the last nail, top and bottom. Cuticle oil one last time, or you could just lotion your hands, your preference. I bought the cuticle oil from Sally Beauty, and I got these cuticle oil pens from Amazon, and I just fill it up with the oil. They were empty and I fill it with the oil. So this is the end of the video. I hope this was very simple and easy to follow. I hope I did not confuse you guys too much with my explaining. My hands look like old woman hands, but this is how they came out. I like them a lot. Leave your comments down below if you enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more nail videos from me, let me know. And let me know other video ideas that you guys want me to do, and I will definitely do them for you guys. Alright, this is the end of it. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.